What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. So in my community post, I did a sort of a little poll for you guys. Asked you guys if you wanted more automotive, mechanically inclined type videos, or just keep it as Overspray where it's just solid painting. A lot of you guys said yes, go ahead and do automotive. Some of you guys said no, keep it as painting, and a lot of you guys said just do what you want. So in this video, we are going to be doing some automotive, but I'm thinking of possibly starting a second channel, just concentrating on mechanical stuff. So in today, I pulled out the Civic, and today we're working on a little Mazda Miata. All right, so here is the little Mazda Miata that we're going to be working on. And let's take a look. This is my neighbor Jerry's little Mazda. It's, well, I don't know if Jerry wants to butt in and tell us all about this little Mazda. If you like, go ahead, Jerry. Stop laughing. Go ahead and just...
So it's a 95 Miata, 1.8 liter OBD1 Mazda Miata.
Okay.
Just normal mods, header, cold air intake, and exhaust.
Okay. So basically stock other than a couple things here and there. Okay, and it looks like we're gonna be fixing. You said what? A little gap right here, I guess.
Yeah, so I can pass my visual inspection for smog.
Yeah, so it needs to pass smog. So it looks like there's like a little crack here somewhere, and many of you guys probably can't actually see it. It's a little dark in there, but it's basically got a crack in the intake, and we need to fix that in order for him to pass smog. Oh yeah, you want to light him up? All right, there you go. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and do whatever we got to do to get that fixed. All right, so what we're going to be using to seal up the intake is we're going to be using some black silicone. Basically, it just takes some silicone there just to seal it. So we're just going to be, reapplying some silicone. Ooh, I'm missing my 10. So let's go ahead and...
You lose some 10.
Yeah, always lose the 10. 10, and then what else did you say?
Phillips.
A Phillips screwdriver. Oh, those are spray guns. Phillips. Alright. Let's get to it.
Big one, look at this. I don't even have to go in there.
Wow, you're good with that. Just trying to get a little hose clamp out of there. I'm in a tight spot. Jerry's gonna be doing most of the work. I'm just letting him borrow my tools.
Hey, you know, if that's the case, I appreciate it.
No worries.
There you go.
Alright, so let's take a look at that thing. Alright. So, the smog guy gave him some shit about this little gap right there on the intake. I don't know if you guys could see that.
I saw the other side, you can see that side.
Yeah. So yeah. And by the way, we're not painting today, obviously, because if you look on the floor, I don't know if you guys could see them, but there's like a ton of little gnats everywhere. You can see why bugs get in my paint job. There's like hundreds of them. It's like, it's real bad. And we were hanging out outside earlier, and there's tons of them out here. There's like hundreds of them all over the floor. So yeah, we ain't painting anything. So so let's go ahead and clean this off. Or I guess we could take those off. Yeah, let's take those off. Let me get my drill, and then we can take those off real quick. Well, Jerry, I don't think I've ever seen you move that fast. What's that deflating noise?
That's my pocket.
Oh, that's your little vape thing?
Yeah.
I was wondering. I was like, are you farting just really, really slowly?
Oh, where did it go?
So we're using some super clean to clean off the area of any contaminants. Well, Jerry is. I'm not. I'm kind of just filming today. And, try not to get Jerry's face on there because he doesn't want to get filmed.
I don't care.
Never mind, he doesn't care, so here's his face. So, wow. That stuff does smell pretty good.
Told you. Want a hug?
Oh.
You want some?
Yeah, let me take a hit of that.
Screw.
Yeah. All right.
How about you just squeeze?
Wow. You're good at that.
Am I? No.
Not really. I've seen better. I should probably make the hole bigger. Probably. It looks like it's really coming out real thin.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm not gonna be driving my car tonight.
Yeah.
It should be fine enough to just drive it, right? Yeah. Park it.
Probably. That's better. If you weren't so shaky. Why are you nervous?
Cause I'm on camera, dude.
Alright, so we went ahead and applied the silicone on there. It's looking real nice and smooth. Yeah, we went ahead and did it all the way around, so we're just gonna have to let this thing kind of sit, and Jerry's just gonna apply a little bit more on the corners because it looks like he might have missed a couple spots. But yeah, then we're gonna let it sit. So we'll cut you guys back in just a sec. Alright, so we are waiting for the silicone to dry. So in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. These are Ray's hex nuts, and these are the steel ones? Are these the steel ones, Jerry? Yeah. So these are the steel ones, and the Miata currently has... So he's got these wheels that he wants to remove, and we're going to actually change out the lug nuts. And what else are we doing? I think that's it. We're just going to be... wait, what? No, I do not want to change the tow hook. Thank you, Jerry. So anyway, we're going to be removing these lugs and putting the new ones on. And so let's do it. Wow, Jerry, you have quite the form. You know that? Wow. So Jerry's actually the master mechanic. I'm just a mechanic helper. Let's see Jerry go to work.
My time?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Well, let's just say you won't make it in NASCAR. Mm-hmm. Those are pretty nice. Let me check those out. Oh, damn. They're like stuck in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're nice. A little bit. And here's the old ones. Yeah, these are like super light, but they're aluminum. And after a while, they stretch out, so... Yeah, they don't last very long, but they're really nice and lightweight. I used to have them on my Integra way back when, back in my racing days. How much were those lug nuts?
$90?
90 bucks? That's not too bad. Oh. Is that the right size? Oh, okay, there you go. Jerry?
So what are we doing next to your Honda?
No, you're not touching my Honda. Sure. Alright, so let's bring it. That's alright, I got it. So, if you want to torque your wheels,
You know what's torque set?
honestly, it's probably going to be somewhere around 80, 90 pounds.
Just too wet.
Take that. You can just set it on. Oh, yeah. Just go on there.
Isn't badass.
Snap on. So This is like a lift collar.
Mm-hmm.
And just lift it and turn it to whatever foot-pounds it has marked on the side. Yep. I would say probably 90 pounds. If you can't find a tool in this toolbox, you don't belong in the shop. You're like, where is it? It's over here. It's in the back. So, what is it? 19s on the
Probably.
thing?
I mean, this could go both ways.
Okay.
Right? I'm looking at. Yeah, it's way off.
What size was that?
16,
18?
17, 18, 19.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at this. He puts them away nicely too.
Yeah, I know. People were giving me shit because on my TikTok, I showed my work toolbox, and it's like all disorganized. But this one is like
Super organized.
Yeah, super organized. So it's like I only care about my good tools. The shit tools at work, yeah, I don't care about
Those are
those.
work tools though.
Yeah. Making Jerry work today.
That's okay. I don't mind it. I like working on my car.
Well, it beats an office job, right?
Yeah. Wait, who's... Oh, damn. Little backstory here.
Yeah, little backstory. Jerry actually has an office job.
We ain't done yet, boys. Did I go under before?
Yes.
There you go.
Sweet.
Let's see. Did it pop open again or good?
I think it's good now. Yeah, looks good now. Silicone's nice and... It looks like it cracked a little bit.
Did it?
Yeah. You can probably just a little bit on that corner. See that?
Yeah. Probably put a little bit more.
Yeah. Other than that, it looks really good.
Now that guy's gonna be like, oh, that's not stock.
Yeah.
That's not OEM.
Let's not forget our screwdrivers here.
Nope. Alright, so the screwdrivers are in.
The left side.
Right here.
Yep.
And numbered.
Yes, sir. Organized from weight and length. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, but you're...
Yeah, just put it there. That's fine. Well, she's all done, Jerry.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Like I said,
I didn't do anything. You did all the work.
You let me borrow your tools and your space and your time, so
Yeah, that's true.
I totally appreciate it.
Yeah. Just give me the $350 oil cap, and we're good. Come on, it's just
a hunk of aluminum.
it's just a piece of aluminum. That's all. So what's so special about what's so special about this thing?
I think there is a limited production, and I think you could only get them through Japan.
Oh really? Yeah, I gave you $20 for it.
I'll take it.
I know, right?
I've got a plastic one in the trunk right now to replace it.
All right. All right. Well, I think we're done here. It's, Alrighty, so we are done for tonight. Jerry took off, went home, and yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the little automotive style of videos. This is kind of more of a test run, if you will, because like I said, I'm kind of trying to introduce a little bit more of automotive videos, and if it doesn't end up working out, if you guys don't really like the content, then in that case, what I'll end up doing is start a second channel. I'll start a Mechanic Life channel, and then I'll do all my mechanic videos there. But for now, it's just going to be temporary. We're going to be doing some automotive, mechanical, automotive style videos. And also, we're going to be commencing on the Honda Civic project car once more. Yeah, probably starting next week, we'll start working on the Honda Civic project car. So anyway, guys, stay spraying, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.